Hello everyone, I'm Geet from Rspace. Today, let's understand how to choose a reliable invisible grill for your balcony. When choosing invisible grills, don't look only at price. Material quality, installation, joints, and finishing matter too. A good invisible grill uses strong, high-tensile stainless steel wire, designed for reliable balcony safety and long-term outdoor use. Outdoor exposure matters too. Suitable UV protection and secure crimped joints help maintain a dependable installation over time. Accurate measurements are essential because every balcony is different. Proper spacing and strong fixing points improve the overall installation. In homes with children, pets, or elderly family members, an invisible grill can provide a discreet additional safety barrier. Unlike bulky barriers, invisible grills are designed to maintain an open feel. They allow natural light, airflow, and outdoor views. Depending on the space, these mesh systems can also create partitions while maintaining ventilation and an open, connected feel. Whether you're in Ambernath or Badlapur, choosing a genuine manufacturer can give you better control over quality, installation, warranty, and service. Rspace provides invisible grill solutions with a 7-year rust-freeze-free warranty.